Today we're gonna crack this dino egg and see what's inside.
Come on, Luca, let me help you. Come on, Luca. Come on, Haddies. You got like. Almost. Come on, Haddies. I'm in this. That's how it's doing.
You're excited, Luca?
Yes, Mommy.
I think you gotta squeeze it on the sides. Yep. Wow, there are so many packages to open.
We're gonna open it. Can you help me open it?
Yes.
No, I'm a dinosaur. Here, look, you need help?
Let's see, pour it out. Is that what that is? Oh, and what color is that?
Green.
Luca, can you say green? Luca, can you say green?
Can you say green, Luca?
Huh?
Oh, puppies! Head, it's the head.
What color found is
Orange.
the head.
And then the feet are green.
Luca, can you say orange? Wow, what did we get in the blue Play-Doh?
So we got an egg in the blue Play-Doh, and then like a palm tree, and a bone inside the green Play-Doh.
Wow!
Together.
Yep, it's time to put it together. Let's put baby Dino together. What color is that Play-Doh, Luca? Can you say green?
Can you help me? Come on.
Let me see. Uh-oh, somebody needs a little help.
We have Mommy.
That is the dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Doesn't it look so cute, Luca? Pop.
So we did it. Good job.
Honey, give me that. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos.